You can see as I'm going through here that I'm not washing my brush, just letting those colors work together, particularly for this first basin. Um, you really don't need to worry about washing your brush. In fact, sometimes washing the brush too much is more of a frustration because you add so much water to your paint every time you go back to the palette. So I'm just setting in some of the shadow, coming back with some of the more of the yellow part of the sunflower petal and letting those work together. So by building the petals petal by petal, I can I can still have some wet paint to work with between those color variations. That allows me to run the brush through both of those colors to sort of pull them together. If you watch very many of my classes, you know that I don't like to talk about it being a blend because blending with acrylics, people get really frustrated with it really quickly. Think of it more as just pulling the colors together, softening the transition between one color to the next. I just picked up a little bit of that darker burnt sienna just to add a little variation to that petal. Again, I'm trying not to get too much into the details, but um, if something strikes me to do it, I do it. I don't like to get bogged down by art rules. You'll hear so many people say, you're not supposed to do that. Just paint, just have fun.